Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. We're going to do our DIY pinhole camera. So this is our $138 one. We're going to go ahead, open the box, and I'll show you what's inside of it. So in the box we have our USB charging and power cable, micro USB. We have the actual physical camera itself with a little sticky tab on the back of it, your Wi-Fi antenna and your clip for your battery, which also comes included with it. There's also a little guide of other products that are available and a handy little instruction sheet. However, you can use our Pro iCam tutorial that we have linked in the description below to get your camera all set up.